Hey, you're welcome back to my channel. I still remain Jack Sax, the saxophone instructor here in this channel, and today I'm going to be teaching on a vital topic titled passing notes. I'm going to be teaching you some passing notes and how to rightly use it for your improvisations. If you're new to this channel and if not subscribed to this channel, I'd like to plead with you to kindly click on the subscribe button, and just beside the subscribe button you will see a notification bell. Please turn on the bell notification, as that will enable you to be notified each time a tutorial drops here in this channel. And of course, for your intensive one-on-one saxophone training, you can reach out to me by calling the number +234 I will take it again. +234 All right, now let's go to the business of the day, passing notes, and how to rightly use it for your improvisation. I'll be playing on the key of C. All right, now talking about passing notes. Before you talk about passing notes, you are not just going to pass. All right, you need to know that okay, you are heading to somewhere. What to do to get to your landing note or your approach note is what we refer to as passing notes. And of course, there are several passing notes, okay? But today, we're going to first consider the chromatic approach, all right, to the passing note. All right, now, if I have my fa to be my landing note, for instance, what do I need to do? I'm going to play do, right? D, re, mi, fa to take me to my fa. Is that taken? So if fa is my landing note, what I will do is to play what? Do, di, re, mi, fa. Just like I said, if fa is my landing note or approach note, I'll play what? Do, di, re, mi, fa. Hear how it's going to sound. Can you hear that? That's in the case where fa is my landing note. Now, what if so happens to be my landing note? Landing note and an approach note is still the same thing, okay? What if so happens to be my approach or my landing note? What I would do is to go to the second degree of my major scale and run it chromatically until I get to so. Alright? So I will start from re now and I'll play what? Re, mo, mi, fa, fi, so. Re, mo, mi, fa, fi, so. That's what I'm going to do, right? Can you hear that? That's what I'm going to play. Okay, now what if la is my landing note? What I would do is to go and pick it from the third degree, which is mi. I'll play what? Mi, fa, fi, so, zi, la. Okay? That's what I would do. And what if T happens to be my landing note? I'll pick it now from the fourth degree and I'll play what? Fa, fi, so, zi, la, to, ti until I get to that T. That's what I would do. What if do happens to be my landing note? I'll play what? So, zi, la, to, ti, do. Alright? Or you do it this way. Okay? By playing my side C. Now, what if re happens to be my landing note? I'll pick it now from the what? From the sixth degree and I'll play what? La, to, ti, do, di, re. That's what I would do. What if mi is my landing note? I'll take it now from T and I'll play what? Ti, do, di, re, mi, or ti, do, di, re, mo, mi. That's what you do. And that will take us again to what? Fa, where we started from before. And we're going to have it now as what? Do, di, re, mi, fa. In a simple term, what you're going to do is this. If you have your landing note to be on the fourth degree, which is fa, then you are going to start from do by playing what? Do, di, re, mi, fa. When you have it on saw, you start from the second degree and play what? Re, mo, mi, fa, fi, so. If you have it to be la, you start from the third degree by playing what? Mi, fa, fi, so, zi, la. If you have it to be T, you start from the fourth degree and play what? Fa, fi, so, zi, la, to, T. If you have your landing note to be do, what you would do is to start from the fifth degree by playing what? So, zi, la, to, ti, do. Alright? Now, when you have it to be re, you start from what? The sixth degree by playing what? La, to, ti, do, di, re. Now, what if you have it to be mi? If your landing note is mi, you play what? You start from the seventh degree by playing what? Ti, do, di, re, mi. As simple as that. Just like this. In summary, you have it like. That is for fa. For fa, you play do, di, re, mi, fa. For so, you play what? Le, re, mi, fa, fi, so. Okay. Then for la, you will play what? Mi, fa, fi, so, si, la. Okay. For ti, you will play what? Fa, fi, so, si, la, to, ti. For do, you will play what? So, si, la, to, ti, do. Okay. Then for re, you play what? La, to, ti, do, di, re. Okay. For me, you play what? Ti, do, di, re, di, mi. And finally, for fa, you play what? Do, di, re, di, mi, fa. As simple as that. Alright? As simple as that. And right now, let's try to apply this on a song titled I Surrender All. Alright, we're going to do the chorus of the song. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. So, la, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Alright, now, before I will get to that do, ti, la, so, fa, I'm going to do what? Remember, the note that leads to do is going to be what? So, zi, la, to, ti, do. Do you get it? So I'll play so, zi, la, to, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa. Now, to go and play my ti, la, so, fa, mi now, I'll play what? Mi, fa, fi, so, zi, la, to, ti, la, so, fa, mi. Then so, la, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now, going to so, I'll play le, re, mi, fa, fi, so, la, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. As simple as that. Listen to this now. Okay. Alright. As simple as that. So you can at the same time try to apply this to many other songs. Yeah, thank you for watching. This is how to go about your passing note using the chromatic order, right? So if you have any question, make sure you just drop it on the comment section. Thank you, and don't forget to sign up for your intensive one-on-one saxophone training course. The slot is still available. The chance is still there for you to sign up by calling or sending a WhatsApp message to the number +234 8144 058 513. I'm going to take it again for the last time. +234 8144 058 513. Thank you for watching.